So we open up the Baxi Start app, start commissioning wizard. We click on others and we click on GTW IoT. And then it will ask you, please ensure the main appliance is commissioned before configuring the gateway. That will be either your heat pump, gas appliance. Then we click on next, and then it's asking you to turn on the Bluetooth by pressing the button for 1 second. We push that button and then we get a blue flashing light. Once we get that light, now press continue. And we're scanning and we found the Gateway IoT with the serial number. And we click on that and that will connect my smart device to my gateway. And then when I click on next, it's going to ask me to pair with my gateway to my AmbiZen thermostat. Hold down the button on the gateway for 5 seconds and then put the AmbiZen into pairing mode. Now press continue. And we have our zone there, a single zone, ARU BDR RT. It's already picked up one of our 2 AmbiZens we've got in our room. Now press continue. And then it will ask us to connect to the internet. We are currently connected to the internet. It's now going to retrieve a pairing code from the cloud. That then allows us to set up the My Baxi app through the homeowner's screen. So we open up the My Baxi app. It then asks us to get started. Then we create an account, which will take us to the BDR website. It will then ask us for our country. So we would use United Kingdom. Press continue. It's then going to ask for our homeowner's details. So put in your email address. Now press continue. It's then going to ask us a few questions, giving us information on what's new on the app. Then we scroll past some of the options they give you. Energy consumption, hybrid appliances, heating curve. Now we're going to press the get started button. Now it's telling us if you have a Gateway IoT and to set that up first. And now it's asking us what we got. So Gateway thermostat. And we would have a QR code. While using the app, we can then scan our QR code. And that is you connected. And that is a simple process of commissioning your Gateway IoT.